Today we're going to be making some shrimp fried rice like you'd find at a hibachi restaurant. Come join me.
Before we get started, here is the ingredient list for the recipe today. Feel free to stop or pause the video. We're going to throw on half of our half stick of butter and scramble our 6 eggs. I've got the left side of the griddle a little bit cooler than the right side, and that's just so I can move them over if they are getting a little bit too warm. Next, we're going to throw on our rice and chop it up so there are no clumps. We are then going to add our sesame seed oil and soy sauce. I use 2 tablespoons here, but you can use a little bit more to taste. Next, we're going to throw on our half can of bean sprouts. We're going to continue to babysit that rice, making sure that it doesn't burn, and keep it looking like a real hibachi restaurant. Next, we're going to throw on our protein. I chose shrimp here, but you could use anything or no protein if you're a vegetarian. Lastly, we're going to throw on our peas and carrots. Stir all of our ingredients together. We're going to make sure it's all incorporated together. This would be a good time to taste test, see if it needs anything, maybe some more soy sauce or sesame seed oil. If everything's good to go, we'll plate it up. And here's our final result. Really good color, really good texture. Looks like something you'd find in a hibachi restaurant. Let's see how it tastes.
First bite. That's really good. I thought I put too much shrimp in there, but with the 3 cups of rice, it actually turned out really well. You get a couple pieces of shrimp with every bite. The bean sprouts are really good in there. I do wish they were fresh. The canned ones, being in water, they kind of get soggy. But if you had fresh bean sprouts, those would be really good. Thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. We hope to see you in the next one.